Good morning to you all. Respected Dean, Sir, Madam Anita, Pramod, Keshav, Kamal, Naudi. I am addressing them by, I am taking this liberty to address you because you are my students. Okay? And also Dr. Premnagar, she is also my student. And dear students, this is a proud moment for me to be here in this training program. I don't want to talk much, but just few words. You may have read this word here, agripreneurship. While discussing this topic with Kamal and Pramod and Keshav, again and again we were talking about this. You may be familiar with the term entrepreneurship, but this is agripreneurship. You know, agriculture supported the economy of our country after the Corona time. Everything was down, but what was coming up? Agriculture. So you should be proud that you are the students of agriculture. And the advantage with you is this, that you are familiar with technology. And you know, this, I use it for some messaging and something, but you can do wonders with this. You type so fast on this that I wonder that someday what will you do next. Then there are mobiles and apps. These are the solutions for future which are on your fingertips. So use them not only for entertainment, not only for contacting and discussing and, you know, for many purposes, but also use for the society. You know, the social media, you all are active on social media. To some extent, yes, myself also. Yes, the Facebook, WhatsApp, Insta. These are the tools. There are many more again. These are the tools to be connected with the people in general and farmers in particular. If anyone is thinking a farmer is uneducated, then correct yourself. The farmer is the best scientist I had worked with. They get enriched in knowledge and experience by doing themselves. So the fields are their laboratories. No matter they do not publish papers, no matter they do not go to the universities, but they are learned people. To some extent, some of them, they are not familiar with the tools, mobile or internet or like that. You can put in there your efforts to help them. You know, there are weather forecasts, everything, and when to sow, when to harvest, what to sow. All these things, they are available on tips, which may not be reaching the farmers in time. You can help them there. You know, I shared one of my experiences during lockdown. There were few young entrepreneurs who had joined hands and they were supplying fresh vegetables, fruits, groceries, whatnot at doorsteps. Of course, following the Corona norms. And I came to know about a farmer who was having corns, a huge production, but he was unable to sell it because there were restrictions in movement and other things, so he was not able to. So I just talked to the person who was delivering the groceries and vegetables and fruits at my home and asked him to get connected with this farmer. And you know, the farmer's product was sold he was happy, and the person who arranged that, he also earned the profit. So that's the, that's how one can help. So I request the young people, the students here, to help the farmers in your neighborhood so that he can be aware of the techniques and new things coming up, new seeds, new varieties, which you may be having on your phone. Just help them and then see that they will be doing wonders. You will be only passing on them one information, but they will multiply it manifold. So not only you help them in getting familiarized with the knowledge, with the information, but at the same time you can help them to be connected with the market. Kamal is here. He is working magnificently on this field of digital marketing. So just bring a farmer to this wonderful thing, digital marketing. He will not to have to go to the market to sell his product, but his product can be brought from his home, from his farm. So this is that, and then I'll give you one word: earn while learn. You are learning, so there is no harm in earning also. So while doing this, you can charge a nominal fees with both the parties, the seller, the buyer, and the producer. Producer, the farmer; seller, of course, the people who put in their money, the shops, the market, and the buyers, of course, the general public. So you can put in there. So with this, I end this speech here. So I'm happy to be here among the young people always. It is an opportunity and joy to be among the young people. Don't think that I am not young. I am young, you are younger. And I say, I am a teenager. Let me complete. I am a teenager of 1970s. Okay? So be happy, enjoy your learning, enjoy your studies, and of course, the companionship.
Yes.
Thank you.